Right, knowledge is valuable, but character is more valuable. Which character is not good with his knowledge? Good results are not expected. Even if the snake has a game on its head, should be appended. Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Nuruddin. Welcome back to another kind of video. I hope that you are so well. So today in this video, I will discuss with you how to improve public English conversation. All everything today in this video I will try to discuss with you very easily. So I hope that you will connect it with me. Okay. So also I'm Mr. You can see this is a big field when I free. Sometimes I try to play here. Sometimes you can see this is a very big field, and beside my background this is the tea garden. Wow, this is really amazing. Okay, and the last time this video I'll try to show this is okay. So let's talk about our main point. So today in this video I discuss with you how to improve our public English conversation. All everything I will try to discuss with you. So at the first time, if you are a beginner for speaking English, you think that how will I improve public English conversation? All time you think that, but sometimes you think that actually, yeah, I can write something, but when if I speak something, I feel that I cannot speak properly. But what will I should I should that I can improve my speaking English. I will give you some point, but if you follow this is, I hope that your public English conversation day by day it will be okay. So this is the first point. You need to if get a partner, but if you don't get a partner, but it must be your speaking English will not be better or so well. So you think that how will I get a good partner for speaking English, and if I don't get a good partner, my speaking English will not be okay, and it will not be very well. So please give me some information, how will I get a good partner? At the first time, if you don't get any partner, you need to record on your mobile or in your mobile some video. So at the first time, open your camera and you need to discuss something, you need to say something, and second time you need to watch this video again, and what wrong you have got, what wrong you have got. Okay, at the first time you need to record a video, and what wrong you have got, this is the you need to identify, and you need to correct it, this conversation. And again you need to any point, for example you need to discuss a pen, you know that what does that mean, this pen, and you need to 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute discuss conversation with by this pen. You need to you are making actually without pen, but we can write anything. But if I want to write some exam, if I want to give some exam, I need to write, this is the time I need to write by pen, but without pen I cannot write. Okay, this is your point, that the first time you need to get a point, a matter, and you need to without pen, but we cannot write anything. But if I want to give any exam, I need to write by this pen. You are making this sentence well, and what have you, what is this wrong, what wrong, and what will you have got, আপনি কি পাবেন, this is the you need to identify on your video, and you need to correct it second types video, and it will be day by day it will be you speaking English perfectly. Okay, this is the more thing. But if you want any content, English content for speaking English on your camera, you need to upload YouTube on Facebook. This is the time you think that at the first time I need to learn, this is any point, and second time I need to upload any content on this social media, but at the first time I need to improve. But it's if you follow this is day by day, your speaking will be improved. This is the another most important point for speaking English. Okay, also I want to suggest, if you have got any partner, but you need to conversation daily by daily and every day, and you, I hope that must be your speaking English will be so well, so better and so well, it will be okay. And if you don't have any partner, I already discussed with you how you need to record a video, and if you have got any if you will have got আপনি যদি কোনো পাবেন conversation for conversation a partner, but you need to connect it video. Also you need to upload social media video, you need to create a page or a id or a channel, and also every day you need to try to create a video content video, you need to upload any point. Also you will be improved very easily for conversation. And you are hearing, this is a train is the coming beside, this is my behind, and also you see this is the behind. Yeah, this is a big tree, and this is my front side. I want to show you, here are some tree. Okay, I want to show you, this is a tea garden. When in the morning we drink tea, by this is the my tea garden. You can see, okay, you can see this is the tree. You can see this is the tree. Okay, this is the leaf. Okay, I hope that you understood about my point, and I already discussed with you. And as well as also I'm English learner, but if I wrong anything, if I mistake anything about my speech, so please forgive me and pray for me, so then I can upload every time, every day for you, is for learning speaking English, so more video. So that's about my speech today here. So see you again another kinds of video. Allah Hafiz.